It is rolling top of the turn. Here they come. They're off. Ancient Jenny coming right for the lead. Now they drive into the first turn, and Ancient Jenny opens up 3 lengths. Robert Wolf is second, and Ancient Jenny goes off stride. Ancient Jenny off stride. Robert Wolf left with the lead, but Ancient Jenny catches quickly and is right there second. Followed on the outside, Peanut Oil takes over second. Ancient Jenny in third, followed by Racing Finale. 2 lengths back to Fox Valley Wavbog, Savage Sundance Drafty, and Broadway Style. From the outside, Peanut Oil at the quarter. 31 and 2, and Peanut Oil has the lead double length. Robert Wolf holds in second, followed by Ancient Jenny in third. Racing Finale. It's Fox Valley Wavbog, followed by Drafty, Savage Sundance, Broadway Style. Heading for the half, Robert Wolf takes advantage from the inside, and Robert Wolf shoots on through now to regain command. It's Peanut Oil alongside a challenging second. Ancient Jenny, he's a close-up third in Racing Finale. 101 and 4, the race is half over. Robert Wolf leans into the clubhouse turn of length. It's Ancient Jenny right there second. Peanut Oil. Here comes Fox Valley Wavbog. Circling horses 3 wide. Out of the turn, they curve into the black stretch. Your leader, Robert Wolf. But Fox Valley Wavbog is on the attack on the outside. Ancient Jenny, Savage Sundance, 3 wide on the outside between horses Peanut Oil and Broadway Style. 3/4, 132 and 3. Into the far turn, Robert Wolf has a neck in front between horses Fox Valley Wavbog, Savage Sundance, 3 wide. Ancient Jenny and Drafty. Top of the stretch, it's Robert Wolf, your leader. Here they come, turning for home, and Robert Wolf now sprints clear. Ancient Jenny is on the inside, followed on the outside, Savage Sundance. Your leader is Robert Wolf. Robert Wolf, Ancient Jenny at the wire. Number 1, Robert Wolf was first. Number 4, Ancient Jenny was second. 7, Drafty was third. Ladies and gentlemen, the inquiry sign is posted. Let's check in at Balmoral.
We're 8 minutes away from tonight's 4th race. This is the Sheer Designs race. 9 pacers going a mile, no changes. Post time in 8 minutes for the 4th race. Perfecta trifecta wagering on the 4th race.
Moving to the winner's circle, number 1, Robert Wolf. Robert Wolf is owned by Martha and Bill Roberts of Rolling Meadows, Illinois. Trained by Dan Moore and driven by Dave Magee. The mile of 2-2 and 2, and Robert Wolf has paced to a new lifetime mark. And this 3rd race honors the folks from the Elmhurst Volunteer Firemen's Association, and we welcome those of you.